Yangoversity gives a lot of the abilities for people to communicate, to exchange their ideas, to exchange their knowledge.
Because Zoom doesn't give you this feelings and attachment to the people you work with.
I like that everyone is getting together. People are really cool. They are super energized. The content is amazing and the vibe is really cool. So Yangoversity Africa is one of my favorite ones.
In Yango we have these key values like go local, go global, being always humble and inspired by the data. And I guess Yangoversity gives the platform for the people to talk about these values more deeply.
We want people to see the reality. We want the guys who are sitting, let's say, in some kind of like the central office, they can come here, they can test the products they're doing every single day. You know, they can go to the streets, they can understand how the city lives. Don't spend your time just alone. Try to be with other teams.
The future is much better because the performance of the variety of countries in the region is enormously good.
And this is our entire mission here, that we take those values and we make sure that we really implement this in our life during Yangoversity.